Welcome to this new lesson in our HEFLO onboarding course. In this video, we'll show how to post comments and suggestions directly from the process portal, a great way to collaborate and improve processes in real time. Let's start by opening the documentation of the published process from the portal. In our example, we'll use the reimbursement of expenses process. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here's the comment section. You can add a general comment about the process or flag a specific task. Let's say we think the Approve Reimbursement Request Decision task could be improved by notifying the requester when a request is denied. Click on the task name to highlight it in the comments section. Then write your suggestion. And click this icon to publish it. This comment is now visible to all users who have access to the process portal and this comment feature. In this part, we're going to see how process editors receive and manage feedback so you can understand how comments and suggestions are handled within HEFLO. The process editor is notified by email and within HEFLO. Let's switch to Bill Evans' account. He's the process editor. He received a notification and can now open the editor to view the comment. In the editor, go to the Feedback tab. Comments from the portal appear under Comments and Suggestions. Bill can respond to the comment, and that response will appear back on the portal. Let's switch to Mary Davies' account to verify Bill's reply. As you can see, she can view Bill's response directly from the portal. If a comment has been handled, it can be archived. Simply click the arrow and select Archive Comment. Archived comments disappear from the portal and move to a separate section. You can also restore a comment. Just click the arrow again and select Unarchive Comment. It becomes visible again in the published documentation. You now know how to comment, reply to, and manage suggestions in HEFLO. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next lesson.